Want automation that responds directly to your audio? FL Studio's Automation Clip Articulator Tools feature, Analyze Audio File, lets you create dynamic automation patterns based on the waveform of an audio file. This tool converts the dynamics of any sound into an automation clip, making it easy to create effects that move in sync with your track. Accessing it is simple. Create an automation clip, open the Articulator Tools menu in the top left corner, select Analyze Audio File, and pick the audio file you want to analyze. Use this for sidechain-like effects, such as ducking a reverb in time with a kick, or for dynamic effect control that adds natural movement to parameters. For creative sound design, analyze one sound and apply the automation to a completely different parameter for unique, evolving textures. Once analyzed, scale or invert the automation using additional tools for full customization. You can even link the automation to multiple parameters, enabling complex, interconnected modulations. Ready to elevate your automation game? Comment FL below and we'll DM you a link to free FL Studio tools and resources to help you explore this powerful feature.